Our post-game press conference. Last match of the night, we have the NU Lady Bulldogs taking the top spot in the team standings after defeating the DLSU Lady Spikers in 4 sets. First, let's talk to our player of the game, Evangeline Su. Stats ha? Hindi. Loading na sa. Okay. Ito na. Evangeline Su, you had 22 points. Based on 20 attacks, 1 block, 1 service ace, alongside 10 excellent digs and 5 excellent receptions. So ayan, just your thoughts on the win. Kitang-kita yung emotion across all the players.
For me po, sobrang happy ko po talaga since gusto namin itong mangyari ngayon simula pa kagabi na yung mga pinag-uusapan namin. Kaya sa puso talaga namin ngayon, kitang-kita ko po sa lahat na lahat kami gustong-gusto manalo at para naman sa kanilang lahat tong game namin tonight. Okay na po.
Thank you, Becky. We have Bella Belen with 14 attack points alongside 7 excellent digs and 14 excellent receptions. First win nyo to against the Sal since nung nag-champion kayo. So, ano lang pakiramdam na you were able to get one against them again?
Siyempre, we're very happy na po kasi hindi pa kami nananalo sa kanila simula last season. So, yung mindset talaga namin is matalo sila ngayon. Na manalo kami ngayon na talagang kailangan gawin namin yung best namin kasi hindi siya magiging madali kasi champion team yung Lasal. Gusto rin nila manalo pero dapat mas gusto namin manalo.
Thank you for that. And we also have Sheena Turing who put up 5 points and yung 5 points na yun, yung points are very valuable sa bandang gitna ng laro. Story for you, syempre itong yung game 2 last year dito, di ba? You had to watch your team due to injury. But now, parang seems like you're making up for lost time and kitang-kita naman na nag-deliver ka when the team really needed the most. Kamusta lang yung pakiramdam na you're able to play here?
I'm very emotional po actually since alam ko ng sarili ko na may pressure talaga since this past few games pa. Sinasabi ko na ng sarili ko na I know na di ka na part ng first 6 basta always ready lang ako na para sumalo sa teammates ko. And I'm happy na na-perform ko ng gusto ko.
Thank you for that, and the floor is now open for questions.
Bella, as a leader ng team, ano lang yung masasabi mo na nag-respond yung buong team na dun sa mindset na focus lang kayo sa sarili nyo na hindi nyo iisipin na with or without Angel yung kabila?
Kami po kasi nag-prepare talaga, hindi namin inisip na hindi maglalaro si Angel. Yung preparation namin this past few days, talagang inisip namin na maglalaro siya. And valuable naman po sa team sport eh. So talagang sabi namin hanggat buo kami, hanggat walang naliligaw sa amin, hanggat isa lang yung goal namin, magagawa namin and wala pong imposible.
For the three of you, ngayong nakuha nyo na yung para elusive win against Rizal and malapit na yung Final Four and chasing big kayo for the rest of it in finals, yung paniniwala nyo ba na kaya nyo ng talunin ulit yung lasalin yung big teams, parang lumaki na ngayon. And kumbaga yung confidence ba na yun na possibly maging championship season ulit sa inyo, lumaki na ba yung mas tumatak na ro sa inyo lalo after this one?
Ako po personally, hindi pa po ganun masyado kasi may games pa po eh, may next game pa. So yun nga, lagi lang naman kaming one game at a time. Hindi namin iniisip yung future. Kung ano yung ngayon, yun po yung iniisip namin. Siguro yung championship, darating sa amin yan pag nagtatrabaho kami. Kasi naniniwala po ako na lahat ng pagod, lahat may kapalit.
Ako same na din kay Bella na dapat focus lang dapat sa present and one game at a time lang. And of course, lahat ng games namin dapat pagtrabahoin pa talaga namin para ever na pass ng championship, polish na yung skills na.
For me din naman po, like, same lang din po kay Ate Bella. Teammate naman po kami. Hindi, like, consistency lang talaga every game namin. Kasi hindi pa dito natatapos yung lahat. Madami pa kami pagdadaanan at paghihirapan.
So, ganda po ko na.